Welcome to City Grill. My name is Rob Vore, and in this episode, I'm going to do something fun with pizza. And in this case, I have a really cool pizza screen. I'm going to date myself. I used to work at a place called Showbiz Pizza Place. It's now Chuck E. Cheese, but we always use these pizza screens, right, to cook a pizza. And in this case, I'm going to use a tortilla flour or tortilla burrito for my crust, right? And I'm gonna put this on the grill to toast it up. You could use some flatbread to do the same thing. It's gonna be a little bit lighter, depending on what ingredients you wanna put on it. Might be a little bit healthier than dough itself, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it with this tortilla wrap. All right, so I'm out on the grill already. It's heating up to about 400 degrees. And I'm gonna watch this. I just wanna toast this up just a little bit because I like a crispy crust to my pizza. And this will brown up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put all my ingredients and cook it again. You don't have to do this. By all means, you can put all the ingredients in and stick it in the grill, or if you wanna use your oven, go ahead and use your oven. It works really great. Probably the best key here is the screen again, because it's gonna cook right through it. So I have this burner on and my far burner on. My middle burners are off right now because I don't want to burn this up, so I gotta be really careful. But I'm gonna watch this, let it kind of toast up here for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll take a look at it. All right, we're back out at the grill. Checking on this tortilla or wrap, flour wrap. Look at that, it's firm now. This is what I'm looking for this pizza I'm gonna make on here. So it's getting crisp enough. If you want to cook it more and it gets a little more brown, more firm, that's fine too. I'm liking it just like that, so I'm gonna take it inside, put all the ingredients on it. All right, I'm inside. I have my tortilla, I don't know what to call it, crust or pizza crust ready to go. So I have my homemade salsa. I'm gonna put some right here in the center of this, just like so. If you want the salsa recipe, the pizza sauce recipe, you could use salsa on this and it tastes really good. But anyways, for pizza sauce, we're just gonna go ahead and swirl this around just like so. I got a little, put a little bit more on here. And just put it like that. I'm gonna get out some pepperoni and put some pepperoni on this. You could put ham, bacon, whatever you want on here. I'm gonna try to get the sauce way up towards the edge of the crust here of this pizza. Get the pizza sauce. You can get that on my my website at citygrilling.com. It's really good. I'd highly recommend it. Let me go get the pepperoni and we'll put the rest of the ingredients on here. All right, so I got the pepperoni out. I'm just gonna place some pepperoni around this pizza tortilla crust. And I really like to put pepperoni all the way, let it come over the edge a little bit, so that way you get it in every bite. I'm gonna put it on a little bit heavy, just because I like it, right? And sprinkle it around here. You could put some Parmesan cheese, sprinkle that on the crust here. That'll be fine as well, just like that. I'm gonna grab some onions that I've already cut up, place these onions on here, spread them out. With something called center loading a pizza. And basically that's way when you go out to a place and you get a pizza, it looks like almost like that. I'm exaggerating an awful lot, right? But basically, is a real good pizza place, they're gonna put the ingredients all around the pizza. So something to keep in mind when you're out there and you go to your favorite pizza joint and you say, gosh, all the ingredients right there in the middle of the pizza, and that happens an awful lot because they're in a hurry and they're trying to make a profit like the rest of us. So I get it, it happens. I have some peppers, some onions. I'm gonna put a few green olives. I like some green olives rather than black olives on mine. I don't know why, I just always like the green ones better. Maybe because of the martinis, I don't know, but I do like those. Put those on just like that. And then finally, go ahead and spread that out, just like that. And finally I'm gonna put on some mozzarella cheese. This is just a pizza blend. And we'll stick this back out on the grill and let it cook. I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes. We're gonna make sure everything's gonna get melted on here with the cheese, and the veggies get cooked, heated up fairly well also. All right, let's take this back to the grill. Okay, now that I have all the ingredients on my pizza, I'm ready to stick it back on the grill. So I'm just gonna let this warm up. Again, this burner's on the far sides. There's nothing on in the middle. I'm just gonna kind of let this heat up and probably enjoy a nice beer while I am waiting for this to get done for me. All right, it's been 15, almost 20 minutes actually. I've been rotating the pizza here on the grill. It looks great. I just turned off the burners. I can't wait to dig in this. So let's take it inside. Pizza's inside. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up. You know, this is like kind of almost like a personal pan pizza, almost in a way, no pan. So I'm just gonna cut it just like so. Get a good pizza cutter, just like that. Oh boy, I can't wait. I gotta try just a little bit right here. I'm just gonna cut that so I can get to it. Give it a bite. Ooh. Oh yeah. Excellent way to make a pizza. It's lighter, crispy crust. It's excellent. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get the recipe at citygrill.com. Thanks.